going back to the difference you're trading, so you're saying it was just like, I'm a big believer in obviously positivity, law of attraction, a nice good mindset, and I think anybody who goes out and takes a risk on their own like this will be a positive person. But so you're kind of saying it was mindset is super important. And
what's up, guys? I had to interrupt the video and I do apologize. I just wanted to let you guys in on a little secret. The Flash Forward day trading course is out now. If you're interested to learn how to trade stocks the correct way, check the link out below, guys. God bless.
Yeah, no, I think your mind's at the end of the day, the whole idea of how to make money in the market it's very simple. You're either buying high and you're selling low. I mean, you're either buying low and selling high, or you're selling high and buying low if you're short. And I mean, no matter what strategy you use, no matter what technical indicators you have, at the end of the day, you remove everything that's on the chart. You remove all your little lines and all that. It's still the same. If you traded a stock like me and we both made money on it, and we removed all of our indicators, we would still have very similar, entries and exits, because this is how it works. At the end of the day. And I think a lot of people just get so wrapped up, and I do that as well. In the past, I would be like, I'd watch Ross's videos and be like, oh, I gotta beat Ross. I gotta trade better than Ross. And I would always like put that pressure on myself, because, it's easy on YouTube to kind of like have that pressure where you're like just constantly being like, oh wow, Ross made $10,000 a day and I only made $100. What am I doing wrong here? And it's just, there was a time I remember watching Ross when he would make $100 a day. And it's just, you got to remember that everyone just kind of goes through a process.
And that's it. You kind of have to stop looking at that took me a while, like exactly like what you're saying, to stop looking at people and say, well, how are they making that much and I'm either making so little or losing. I think you just have to go at your own pace. Stop comparing, stop looking at look at these people to aspire to soon be there, but stop comparing yourself in terms of the growth in terms of your account and how much you're banking, because it'll just put you in a bad place.
Yeah, and you gotta, and there's always like different variables. It's all smoke and mirrors. Everybody has little gimmicks. Like Ross has a major chat room. He's got guys following into every single trade. I'm not gonna like get into all that, but like everybody's got a little stick. Everybody who's like got something going on. Everyone's got some little thing about them that gives them an edge. And, you got to always remember that it's just, you can't compare yourself to other people, especially in trading. I think that's the cool thing about trading, though. I tell people is like, you can trade any strategy you want. You can have the weirdest strategy in the world, but if it makes money, like, who can hate on it? People always, they leave comments in my videos like, you have no strategy. Oh, why would you? Oh, that was stupid. It's just like, that's really like, that's your comment. Okay. Like, have fun with that.
Yeah, look, I don't. If it's not broke, don't fix it. If you're making money and you're happy doing it, so be it. You keep doing what you're doing.
Making $100,000. Characters I met along the way that stepped in and are a big part of my story. There, so stay tuned.